Hello students, welcome to in this class. Today we are going to solve a question of trigonometry of chapter height and distance. So let us see the question. The question is a tree breaks due to storm and the broken part bends so that the top of the tree touches the ground, making an angle of 30 degree with it. The distance between the foot of the tree to the point where the top touches the ground is 8 meter. Find the height of the tree. So let us suppose that this was our complete tree, and this was our complete tree, and this point is A, this point is B, this point is C. This was our complete tree. This is the top of the tree, and the tree breaks from the point A due to storm, and top of the tree touches the ground at point C, making an angle of 30 degree with the ground. Okay. Next is the distance between the foot of the tree to the point where the top touches the ground is 8 meters. So according to the question, the top of the tree touches the ground at C and foot of the tree is B. So distance of BC is equals to 8 meter according to the question. Okay. Okay. So let us solve the question. So we have to find height of the tree. So what is the total height of the tree? Total height of the tree is equals to AB plus AC, since AB and AC are the total part of the tree. So total height of the tree. So we have to find AB and AC. Then we will add the both AB and AC, and we will find the height of the tree. So we have to find AB and AC. After finding AB and AC, we will add both AB and AC, and we will get height of the tree. So in triangle ACB tan 30 degree. What will be the tan 30 degree? Since tan theta is equals to perpendicular upon base, so tan 30 will be AB upon BC. Okay. Since we know that tan 30 degree is equals to 1 by root 3, and AB upon the value of BC is equals to 8. From this we will get AB is equals to 8 by root 3. This is our equation first. Sorry. So AB will be 8 by root 3. Okay, this is our equation first. Okay, and again in triangle ACB, cos 30 degree will be equals to cos 30 will be, since we know that cos theta is equals to base upon hypotenuse, so cos 30 will be BC upon AC. So since we know that the value of cos 30 is equals to root 3 by 2, so this is root 3 by 2 is equals to BC is 8 upon AC. So when we will cross multiply both sides, so we will get AC AC is equals to 16 by root 3. This is our equation second. Clear? So now we will add both AB and AC to find height of the tree. So height of the tree will be equals to AB plus AC. Since AB is equals to 8 by root 3, so this will be 8 by root 3 plus AC is equals to 16 by root 3. So this will be 16 plus 8, 24 by root 3. We will multiply root 3 both numerator and denominator. So we will get 24 root 3 upon 3. Okay. Since the value of multiplication of root 3 and root 3 will be 3, so this will be 3 8 are 24. So the final height of the tree will be 8 root 3 meter. So height of the tree height of the tree will be equals to 8 root 3 meter. So 8 root 3 is our final answer. I hope this solution will absolutely clear to you. Thank you, students.